Hello friends, welcome in my video. In this video, we are going to see introduction to integrals. Integration is nothing but the inverse of differentiation. Integration is nothing but the differentiation of but the inverse of differentiation. Okay. If we are given a derivative, and asked to find the its primitive or the original function, okay, then this process is called integration. For example, here look here differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. Similarly, the differentiation of x cube x is equal to x square, and differentiation of ex is equal to ex. Okay, now look here, the antiderivative of cos x, here the antiderivative of cos x is sin x. Here the antiderivative of x square is x cube by 3. Similarly, here antiderivative of ex is e to the power x. This antiderivative of or inverse of derivative, this antiderivative or inverse of differentiation or derivative is called integration. Okay, here the integration of cos x is sin x, because here cos x is obtained by differentiating sin x. Clear? So here the integral, here we say integral, this process is called integration and it is called integral. Okay, integral. Now look here we can also write these equations as d of sin x plus c, where c is constant function, an arbitrary constant function. Okay, d of sin x upon dx is equal to cos x, because the derivative of c, constant function, derivative of constant function is 0. Okay, here cos x. Similarly, here dx cube upon 3 plus c upon dx, its derivative will be x square, and here d of ex plus c, c is an arbitrary constant function, here it e to the power x. Okay, so if we look here, the integration or antiderivative of cos x, the antiderivative of cos x is sin x plus c, integral. This process is called integration. Okay, and integral of x square is x cube plus c, x cube by 3 plus c. Similarly, here the integral of ex is ex plus c. Okay, here this c can be 1 2 3 4 5 6. For example, sin x plus 1, sin x plus 6, and 5 4 2, any constant. Okay, hence here we conclude that the integral of any function is not unique. Okay, for example, integral of cos x is sin x plus c, and here the value of c can be 1 2 3 4 5, any constant. Clear? Here we get a general form of integration. Look here given a function capital F of x plus c upon dx, and its integral is f of x. Clear? Okay, here f plus c, where c element of r denotes a family of antiderivative or integral of f, denotes a family of antiderivative or integral of f Clear? Now look here. F of x dx. Okay, it is this symbol. It is this symbol to represent process of integration. Okay, now look here. It is called complete term. Integral of f with respect to x. This is called integral of f with respect to x. Clear? Here this f of x is called integrand. Clear? And here x is variable of integration. Variable of integration. Okay. Similarly, when we are asked to find integral, okay, then this process is called integrate f of x. Okay, and here for example, here f dash x is equal to f of x. Okay, then this f of x is integral. This f is integral of f, and this whole process is called integration. Okay, and here we get constant c. It is called constant. Okay, in this way we have looked at the introduction to integrals. In next video we shall look the properties of integration and some formulas by which we shall solve problems. Okay, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.